Consumption. Oh, right. This is the second time opening the boxes from the delivery. Actually, I don't need to buy this many of something for my cosmetics, but I really wish I don't come back to Korea for a while to buy these things. Well, what's this? I think one of the box is not mine because my daughter bought this, I guess. Yeah. Korea has good quality of beauty things, so she bought this, I guess. What is for? I don't use this, but she for her. And what's this? What's this? You know what? I have TikTok live chat. Please welcome. Please come to visit me. Okay, what's this? I need it because after I usually don't need making a vlog like this, but I need extra battery, like foldable battery, for make sure I can keep my live chat. Yes, I told you. I'm telling you, I have TikTok live chat. In this month, in June, I do Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. But next month, I think I'm going to do this every day. I don't know what time exactly. So you can watch me on live, I think. We can talk too. So, well, ooh, this is quite small. I like it. Great. And the other box, what's this? It's so bright day these days, so if I go out for a walk and just buy something else, I get tired quickly, so I took a nap for 30 minutes. Woohoo! What's this? You can see this is a little bit different. Yeah, that's why I bought this, and this one too, just in case. Go outside. Yeah. This is what I need, really need. And this is from Olive Young. I think these are for the gifts. I bought a lot of gifts. This is for me. This is my favorite for my dark spot. Yeah. And of course, sunblock. Sunblock. Do you know how I keep my youthful face? Because of sunblock. It's really important to me. Oh, Boost Gel. I have the stick, Medicube stick, so I want to use it with this. I didn't expect this big. Yep. And what is this? What is this? I think this one is for the gift. Yes, this one. Men care. This is one for my friends who help me and my students to get into the school, the international school in Malaysia. Yeah, one of my students is going with me in Malaysia for his studying abroad in Malaysia, in Canada school. Yes, so I'm going to give him to help. Thanks to him. Thank to him, and also his friend's friend. I met them several times, but I never gave them a gift. So this is the same one, and another one for my brother. And this is mine. Recently, I really like this product. I'm going to keep this. One is for my mom and one is for me. Yes, really. It protects many things. Even if I apply, well, what is a good combination? This is vitamin C. It can't protect the sun. So I apply this, cover up after this, then I block the sun. But you know what? Sunblock cannot protect whole skin. So I think I need this before use this. Yeah, that's why this is my boxes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.